control?
Causing us to watch it last
Trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion bolt. Got to hit Zerg's forces where it counts.
You put your brush bands on, right?
Yes. Oh gosh.
Thumb trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion bolt.
Hey.
These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannons.
I got it.
Visualize your flight path. Aim for the Z's.
I always forget you can hold it.
Oh yeah. Get the volcano. Get the top of the volcano.
Probably going to move.
Top of the volcano again. Oh my god, Tyler. turn left, turn left.
Little green friends too.
Turn left and get the cross. Okay, turn right.
What have you done? Reconnect the fusion cells. Power. I must have power.
You got it.
Get ready for hyperspace. Maximum acceleration.
Oh my god, you're taking a lot.
I think we're
What a
done.
shootout.
But keep shooting. Babe, don't. Please don't. If you want me to live for the rest of the day.
My gun's broken. Just go straight.
Yeah. My thumb hurts.
Which hand?
Picture time.
Happy or mad?
I'm happy.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible. Do you hear?
Oh my god.
Indestructible.
This hurts.
Which one? Secure that power cells for transport.
Get my bucket.
Okay, so I didn't get the 9-9. I didn't.
No. Wait, you got the volcano or the bottom of the thing? I only got this much because I hit the top of the volcano a few times. Like, I did nothing other than that. I think I vote for remover. Because it's close, we do it, and then by the time we get off, we go right to Space Mountain.
Smile.
If we go
Oh wait, hold on. Sorry. What did I get?
Space Ace.
Ooh, Space Ace. That's probably the highest I've ever gotten.
If we leave and go to Peter Pan and go to Mermaid,